Hello, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to sign out from your Gmail account. So shortly speaking, Gmail doesn't have a traditional sign out button, but instead to sign out from your Gmail account, you need to remove an account from the application. So now I will show you how to do it. Firstly, open Gmail on your device, and then you need to tap your profile picture in your upper right corner, and here you need to tap Manage Accounts on this device button, and here a list of your signed in Gmail accounts will appear, and you need to click Remove from this device button next to the account you want to sign out of. I will not do it, but you just need to press this button, and then you're done. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.